Hello everybody, today we are going to be showing you how to download my Minecraft launcher. So if you haven't been following up, I have made my own launcher, and if you can check, it's right here, this post. There are modifications, a lot of modifications. To find the launcher, you could click the link in the description or just copy it from my posts. Open it, and it will greet you with this info about it. It is a free, safe Minecraft launcher built to replace TL without the spyware, made by the ExtremeLauncher, a YouTuber working hard to make a difference. Get all the features you loved in TL, can support mod management, shaders, and more in a launcher that actually respects your privacy. Why switch from TL? TL, the launcher that this replaces, has been identified as spyware. It collects your data silently. ExtremeLauncher gives you the same features, mods, skinless profiles without compromising your privacy or security. Built by a creator for the community. The ExtremeLauncher is made by the ExtremeLauncher, a YouTuber who may not be the biggest name, but trying what am I even trying to say? But trying hard to make a real difference in the Minecraft community. I'm not gonna keep yapping about just this info. I'm gonna tell you everything home menu, profiles and mod packs, skin system fully offline, no login required, but multiplayer is currently being fixed. It's bugged. As you can see, if I open my things, I'm trying to fix it. And there's account management, console, mod browser. By the way, for account management, it can support Microsoft and Cracked. There's a mod browser. Currently, CurseForge support is broken. I'm working on it. Shader browser, same CurseForge support is being fixed. Same with the resource pack browser. CurseForge support is being fixed. A recommended servers section with servers that I recommend and the top servers. Server setup tutorial, full built-in tutorial on how to set up your own home server step by step. The way how I made my. But my server, it actually took me a long time to find a way to make it so that people from other than my network can join it. This has a full tutorial with everything you will need. There's also a screenshots page with all your screenshots and a world backups page. There's a diagnostics page that can check for Java version, Auth-lib, Mesa 3D, installed mods, RAM test, and system test. Settings. With full customization of the launcher that has theme presets, Minecraft directory selection, hide launcher on game start, Java and Auth-lib path config, and Azure client ID for Microsoft login. If you go to downloads, you will see this. It says download ExtremeLauncher. There's Windows 10/11, which is recommended. Pressing it shows you brings you up the Windows installer. There's the Mesa 3D fix. It's for older computers with integrated GPUs. iGPU includes. Only use this if the standard version has graphics issues or doesn't launch. Universal is for Windows, Linux, and Mac. If somehow this Windows version didn't work on your Windows port didn't work on your Windows version, then you could just download it from Universal. There's a full tutorial here. It also has Linux and Mac support. Pressing here, you will see a full download guide with how to install Python for Ubuntu and Debian. Here's the Ubuntu and Debian download. For Mac, here's the download. And the quick thing to say, for Windows, you can download Python from the Microsoft Store. Installing dependencies, you need to write into your terminal pip install custom tinker, Minecraft launcher, lib, pillow request, and cryptography. And if that doesn't work, there's this line. Download the zip file. If you press this, it will download the .zip file for Universal. Extract the file and open terminal in the directory. Path to my ExtremeLauncher Universal. Run the launcher. Start the launcher by this command python main.py, and enjoy. You're all set. Okay, and full tutorial. Here's the full guide to downloading it. Press download for free. If you have Windows, then you can use the Windows installer. If you have an old Windows PC, you can use this patch. And if you have Linux or Mac, you can use this. I already went through it. I currently have Windows 11, so I'm going to press this. It will show me this. I will save, and it will start downloading. Okay, so I have it downloaded on this folder. You can double click it and it will show you this. Don't worry about that, it's not a problem, trust me. It's just that the converter that I'm using to convert it from Python to MSI is kinda bugged. Press more info on anyway. But okay, just it will show you this. You can select a destination folder, press next, and it will start downloading. It will show you this, press yes, and it will start downloading. Okay, now that it has downloaded, here it is. I'm gonna put it here. Double click on it and it will open. Usually on first launch it wouldn't show you the exact same things that it will show me now. It will show you more of an emptier screen, no active profile, no account. But how do you set up a profile? Press on profiles, click new profile. It will show you this. Let's call it video. Select your Minecraft version. Okay, select your mod loader. I'm gonna select Fabric. Allocate and save. Now you're gonna go to accounts and add a new offline account. Okay, press offline account, and okay, if you want to add a Microsoft account, I will show you how to do that later. If you want to add a skin, you can come here, come here to the skin section, press browse, and you can select a skin that you downloaded. And for capes, you can browse capes here. Currently, as I said earlier, skin and cape support is kinda bugged on multiplayer. I'm currently working on it. What I recommend you do when downloading, you open the content mods, download the Fabric API. As you can see, this is a built-in downloader. Download Sodium. These are just recommended. After that, you can download the entity calling. This is to optimize your Minecraft. Lithium and Sodium Extra that I'm going to download right now after Lithium is done. Sodium Extra. Okay, it should show up any sec. Okay. I probably messed it up. Okay. Let me just try Sodium and it will show up. My Wi-Fi is kind of bugging right now. I'm gonna press install and download. It will show you that some dependencies are required, so just install the dependencies. And after it's done, the page will refresh, as you can see. From here, we can just, if you are you can just play normally, but if you're a content creator, I recommend you add these two. Okay, there isn't support for it on this version yet. And flashback. Okay, flashback, not slashback. Bruh, did I seriously just flashback? Okay, there still hasn't been an addition. Whatever. Shaders, I don't recommend you use shaders. Say resource packs. If you want, you can use resource packs. It's not that I don't recommend using shaders. It's just that if you don't have a good PC, then you shouldn't usually download shaders. That's optional. Same with the resource packs. Same with mods, but I recommend those mods that I literally just told you. For resource packs, I actually recommend you download Fulbright. It actually makes Minecraft so much better. For multiplayer, there are recommended servers here. Currently, the Extreme SMP is off. I'm trying to find a way to keep it on 24/7. And there's Host World, where you can host your own server. Here's the screenshot section, the backup section where you can back up your whatever diagnostics, and there's settings. Here you can set your theme presets. Actually, custom themes are coming soon, but custom theme support is still not here yet. Okay, so there's Minecraft directory. I'm going to enable this. There's please don't mess with these if you don't know what you are doing. Azure client ID. You need to get an a free Azure client ID so that you can use a Microsoft account. Okay, now that you are done with this, you can press play and it will start downloading Minecraft. Let me just skip to when it's actually downloaded. So small problem. I need to update the Java version on my launcher. But that's not much of a problem. We can just go here. Java. Okay. So Oracle. Java download. Let's just download the latest version here. Just in case. In future updates, when I patch the skin problem, I will actually include a later version of Java, so you don't fall into the same problem that I have. But this actually works with versions like 1.21.11. It's the latest version, and it requires a higher Java version for what is it called? Yeah, it needs a newer Java version for Fabric. That's why I was having a bit of trouble. Let me go here, settings. Okay. When it's done, close. Okay, browse. Let me just go to 11 program files. Java. Where's Java? Nope, not here. Java. JK26 bin Java W. Okay, nice. I'm going to go here, play. Still? Oh, I think I didn't save. I gotta save first. Okay, now that I actually saved it, it works. Okay, now that it has opened, these are the settings that I recommend. Press continue. Oh, look at the new babies. Options, FOV. I recommend 90, but I usually go for Quick Pro because I'm a PvPer. Render distance. I recommend as the render distance, but I have a lot of distance. I recommend 16, but damn it. The brightness all the way to the top. GUI scale. If you're a casual player, GUI scale 3. If you're an extreme PvPer, GUI 1. But if you're just a PvPer and just a casual at the same time, I recommend GUI scale 2. That's the first thing I do. Full screen mode, keep it the same. I recommend that you disable VSync and maximize frame rate. Usually, I disable the music or just lower it. Okay, let's continue to here. Okay. For clouds, I like to disable clouds because it's annoying. And let's just go here. Okay, it will enable a resource pack. This resource pack. And for controls, I usually flip, sneak, and hotbar slot 9. I use V. Okay, now you can just enter your server from here or make a new world. Okay, and that's about it, guys. Also, I kind of my skin cape, and this is a featured cape with the launcher, but currently cape support is. I kind of sort of forgot to add the capes folder. It will be a downloadable soon enough. But anyways, guys, this is the full tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and peace. Meow.